Hi beautiful people, this is Soft Memoir here and welcome to the product Infinite Hosting. So this is the members area or dashboard of this tool, and inside this dashboard there are so many options. I will be showing you these features, these options in detail inside this video. This is a review video of this tool, but I will be also giving you big value bonus pack from this page. You can check out the description link, you can click on that link and you will be redirected to this page. From there you can click on this button, or there are two more buttons inside this page. You can check out the product within just 17 bucks. You can purchase it, or you can check out the downsell, and after purchasing you will be given the bonuses, the big valued huge bonus pack. And let me clear you that I will clear you the bonus part a bit later after showing you the product. So let me now show you the product. So this is the dashboard of this tool or the cPanel, and this is a hosting and domain provider. Okay, so inside this tool this is pretty much same, nothing there is nothing much, there is pretty much same like other hosting providers, and there are so many options. Okay, so this is the web admin sorry, this is the webmin dashboard, and this is the virtualmin dashboard. This will be your dashboard, the virtualmin, and this is the webmin. Inside webmin, this is the first feature, the change language and theme. Then system, inside system the change password, the running processes and schedule cron jobs. I don't know what is schedule cron jobs, or maybe there are so many features I don't know, because I am not that kind of technological person, but I know little bit about these stuffs, because I am running a website and from there I have got the knowledge. Okay, so this is a servers feature, and these are the options like Apache, web server, band, DNS server, MySQL database server. So this is an essential thing, and this is pretty much given inside any web hosting provider. So these are the tools: file manager, PHP configuration, and protected web detection, web directories, and this is the dashboard, and these are the features. So inside virtualmin you can do the editing stuffs for your web page. So this is a create virtual server, edit virtual server, and then the edit users, and then the edit mail access, like the email is provided to you, unlimited email you can create. And this is the edit databases, and this is the main thing, that the install script. You can easily install WordPress within just one click. By doing just one click you can use the WordPress, you can use Roundcube, PHP MyAdmin, or these are the more available scripts like the Django, and these are the Roundcube, Squirrel Mail, and WHMCS, and these are the more features and administration options, server configuration and services, and logs and reports. Like any malfunctioning will be registered here. Okay, so this is a backup feature also given here. So all possible features are given here. The backup feature is pretty much surprising. Inside this price, inside just 17 bucks, you will be provided the SSL certificate, the backup facility. And I think if you are a techie person, you know the terms. And WordPress website, obviously this is pretty much available inside any web hosting provider, or in any web hosting service are providing the WordPress thing these days. So these are the additional stuffs. The ratings, overall it has got 9.4 out of 10, and this is only costs 17 bucks. So you can also check out the downsell. You will be also secured by 30 days, no satisfaction money back guarantee, and the launch starts from May 1st, Saturday, 11 AM EST, the New York time, the New York morning. You can check out the product, you can purchase the product inside the New York morning, in the beautiful morning of New York, 11 AM EST. So these are the descriptions about this tool, and you can check out the also demo video. And this is the owner, and this is my word, what I think about this tool. All features are given, and these are really cheap, very cheap. Within just 17 bucks you will be provided this dashboard with so many features. So these are the sales funnel, and let me show you the crazy thing. You will be more happy that after watching the bonuses. So this is the free bonus. You can ask me anything inside my make money online niche from my Facebook page, Soft Memoir. So the next thing is, these are the real bonuses. So these are the software that will be available to you once you have just purchased the product from this page, by clicking the buttons given inside this page. So after 50 bonuses I was just tired, and I have push here mega bonuses. As mega bonuses, 300 plus stuffs, like the more 350 total stuffs will be given to you, like the software, the image pack, the music track packs, the PLR products, and I think near about 200 software will be there, and the doodle character image pack. So if you purchase the front end product, you will be given the 50 software, and if you purchase the upsell with the front end product, if you purchase the upsell, any upsell, you will be given this mega bonus pack with the front end bonuses. So that was the overview of this tool, and you can check out the purchase history option to click on this access affiliate bonus after purchasing the product. So that was the overview. I am now signing out for the video. I'm wrapping up the video. You can purchase the product if you want to get a cheapest hosting service provider. So I am now signing out. Bye bye.